Hello everyone, this is Ms. Jacobson. Today I'm going to show you how to submit a comment that you have left on another student's blog post and submit that into Canvas. You're going to start on the assignment page. For our purposes, I'm just using a practice course that I put together real quickly, and this is a pretend assignment, but in real life this would say something about a blog post comment assignment. You're going to click, you'll have instructions in this area right here. You'll have a rubric of what sort of feedback I expect you to give. You're going to go ahead, click on the blue button that says Submit Assignment. When you click Submit Assignment, you have the option right here to upload a file. Notice it says File Upload. You're going to choose a file from your computer. You are limited to JPEG, PNGs, JPEGs, all different types of image files. So how do you get that picture of your blog comment? Well, of course, first you're going to need to go to the blog in question. So this is mine. You would be on another student's blog, but for the sake of time, we're just going to use mine. I have a comment that I have left, so I'm going to go to that specific comment so I can see it. And then I'm going to go down to the Start menu. When I pull up this Start menu, even though there's not a box that you can see, you're going to start typing. So you're going to type snip, S-N-I-P, and by that point, the snipping tool app should pull up. Click on that app, and something like this will pop up. Now, if it's not already, you need to go ahead and change the mode to rectangular snip. That's the second one down. And once you have that rectangular snip, it's going to gray out your screen. You're going to click and drag a square box around the comment that you want to submit. So there's my comment. Now I need to save it so that I can upload it. So I'm going to click Save Snip, this little floppy disk. I'm going to save this as blog post comment 1. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to Canvas, click Choose File. I'm going to go to the folder where I saved that. Okay. Blog post comment 1 PNG, but I'm not finished yet. If I just submit this picture, my teacher does not have all the information she needs. I can't just submit my comment. I also need to submit the link to the original post that I was commenting on. So I'm going to go back to that blog post, all the way up at the top. This is the blog post I left my comment on. I'm going to copy this specific URL, and I'm going to add it to the comment section. Click Submit Assignment, and voila, you have turned in your homework. If you need to take a new picture, you messed up, you uploaded the wrong file, you can always click Resubmit Assignment.